Hello, friends, you are at Make To Be Studios, Bangalore, where every cloud has a silver lining and everybody gets to eat what they love to eat. In the kitchen, in the clouds, with your fusion chef and host, Grace Sitaraman.
Hello, good evening. This is dinner time. And this evening for dinner, I just happened to put together the ingredients that I had at home, and my intention is to have a Lukso, that is a sort of a Thai spicy soup with a lot of vegetables and also a mouth-watering salad which is sour and which is salty, and it's got a lot of vegetables, some shredded chicken, and of course the soup. Now the soup, I tried to do a little bit of an experiment because the soup is chicken broth and oats to make it healthy, keep it healthy. So let's get onto the bowl and start putting the things together. So first I take the spaghetti. With me there's Namrata, who is assisting me in assembling this wonderful bowl of warm soup because it's pretty cold here, and definitely this soup would be a great health activation program. So we put the soup, put some more, Namrata, make it nice and soupy. Yes. Put more, yeah. You can put some shredded chicken. Yeah. Yeah, put some shredded chicken. Yeah. Yes, right. Okay, then you can put some of these vegetables. Okay, you can add the vegetables. Cucumber, thick juliennes, carrot, some capsicum. You can put some colored peppers, yellow and red pepper. Yeah, add some more. Yes, nice, good, nice. I think you make it according to your taste. Then you can have. Yes, this is a spicy, tangy, flavored salad. And here is some fish sauce. Yes, it's rolling down the mountain.
Great.
Okay? Do we need to put anything else? A dash of lemon juice and some lettuce? Yeah, you can put some lettuce. Okay, and some lettuce. Put some more. I think you can put some more. Yeah. You can make it as much as spicy and tangy you wish to have. So just have a spoonful and let's see how it goes. Yes. How is it, Namrata?
Very nice.
Very nice?
Soggy. It's soft, slippery to the touch.
Okay. And what about the
flavor is mild yet very tasty.
Flavor?
It's not a burst of flavor. It's mild, but it's a well balanced and well rounded flavor in the mouth.
Okay. And what about the spaghetti?
It's nice and soft. Giving it the hearty factor.
The hearty factor.
And
Okay.
making it also an equally filling meal.
And above all, I have used spaghetti and not noodles.
Not noodles, exactly.
so the maida factor isn't there.
Isn't there? So,
I've
you
used-
could call it a fusion because
Yes.
it's not.
I've
yeah,
used spaghetti.
It's fusion.
Yeah. It's spaghetti is dora wheat.
Yeah, Dora wheat. And here this is a Central Asian Malaysian sort of Lukso. It has its origin in Myanmar and the bordering areas of Myanmar, Thailand, etc.
Even in our northeastern.
It has its influence even in the Indian northeastern states.
Yes.
So we share our influences there too. So it's overall a very good culmination of flavors and cultures
Yes.
on a plate.
Yes.
It's, as they say, a melting pot of culture, and this is food is definitely and is one of the melting pot.
Like if I like more spice, can I add more?
You could add
chilies?
kimchi. You could always make you can make a ready-made a really easy to make chili oil. It's very basic ingredients with garlic and just bash up a bit of red chili. Or even if you want to give it a more northeastern, a more Asian and Central Asian element, you could add some those king chilies or those bhujaloki chilies, mash it up and add it as a flavor. Or you could even Koreanize it by adding some kimchi or some pickled vegetables or even pickled kimchi would be the best option.
So you're enjoying it?
Yes, absolutely. I am loving it. And
You're loving it?
For the cold, it's really celebrating the cold, I would say.
Fine. Thank you so much. So enjoy your dinner and please leave some for me if you can.
Absolutely, I will.
Okay.
I will, yes.
Thank you, Namrata.
Thank you.
Now jump on to that. Jump in. Yes. One more. Let's see. One more.
Right.
Why don't you take some soup?
Yeah. Yeah.
Enjoying it? Okay, I leave you here. And as I said, don't eat everything. I'm starving and my mouth is watering. Okay? Enjoy your food. And good night, viewers. I hope you make a bowl full for yourself tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.